Hi, in front of me is Honor 8 and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. First of all, locate Sound Recorder and click on it. Now you need to tap on this red button to start a recording. But firstly, click Allow, or in my case, Enable. And as you can see, recording is now on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, click at the same button. If you wish to stop your recording, click on the square button over here, name it and tap on Save. Then choose Recordings over here. And as you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wish to delete it though, you can always hold it, tap on the delete icon in the middle and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!